Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to show you a cool trick for setting up Windows 11 on your laptop without needing an internet connection. Yes, you heard that right. So, imagine this. You're setting up your new laptop, and it asks you to sign in with a Microsoft account. But you're in a hurry, or maybe you just don't want to create a new account right now. No worries, I've got you covered with this simple workaround. If you're on a desktop, all you need to do is disconnect from the internet, but for laptops, it's a bit different. Here's what you need to do. Step 1. When you reach the sign-in screen during Windows 11 setup, press the magical combination of Shift plus F10 on your keyboard. This will open up the command prompt, where the real magic happens. Step 2. In the command prompt window, type in the following command: netch interface show interface, and hit enter. This command will show you the status of your Wi-Fi connection, if it's connected and enabled. We need to disable it to proceed offline. Step 3. Now, to disable your Wi-Fi connection, type in the following command: netch interface set interface Wi-Fi admin equals disable, and hit enter. And just like that, your Wi-Fi connection is now disabled and you're ready to go offline. To double-check that your Wi-Fi is indeed disabled, you can run the first command again: netch interface show interface. Now, go back to the Windows 11 setup screen, and you'll notice that the option to sign in with a Microsoft account has magically disappeared. You can now enter any name you like, skip entering a password, and proceed with the setup. And there you have it! You've successfully bypassed the internet requirement during Windows 11 setup on your laptop. How awesome is that? I hope you found this trick helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.